my crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. And in today's video I have an incoming swap, and this is from a swap that I participated called Coffee and Donut Swap, hosted by Shamika. So it's gonna be a surprise, and let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I receive. Hello my crafty friends, here I am with the Coffee and Donuts incoming swap. So I don't know who was my partner, so let's go ahead and open this up. And it came nicely wrapped, and here is a card, thank you, with a very cute pen. And oh, this is from Shamika, and she also gave me these donuts. Yeah, cute, cute, cute. And let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. Let's see. So, let's come closer. Okay, so here it is for my swap partner. Love the tag. And oh, this is from Kim Scraps and Pieces, and I'm gonna link her in the description box below. And let's open this up, and it came in this pretty baggie. And let's take everything out, but let's appreciate this coffee break. I love it. I love it. Definitely saving this baggie. Put it over here, and let's see. Oh my goodness, so these are, oh, is this her shaker? Yeah. How pretty, look at that. How gorgeous. Very nice, very nice. Then embellies, these are the back toppers. Oh, I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Really nice. Love the neutral colors. And this is the embellishment. Oh, I love this one too, so I'm not gonna rip it apart, but love it. Look at that. So cute. Very cute. Maybe I should put these over here for pictures. Yeah. And then I got the foldable card, I believe. This is it. And very nice. Yeah. Very cute. So it folds. Very cute. Hopefully I'm in frame. And then this is one of her goodies. Love these, warm and cozy. Oh my goodness, how cute. Very cute. And oh, these, oh, I remember watching this in Mika's channel. Oh my goodness, she is so adorable. Look at that. The bear with a bow and the donuts, holding a coffee mug, and the grinding coffee tool. How cute. Thank you. So cute. Let's put this here. And oh my goodness, look at this shaker. And it came in this baggie. Again, the bear and the oven, and it's, the donuts are baking. How adorable, how adorable. And then we got some goodies here. All right. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Look at this. I don't have this type of kind of like sequins fillers. Very cute. And then this is the small pocket letter. And let's appreciate these. Look at that. Look at all the die cuts. This one too, the coffee pod, the coffee bean. You are the cream of my coffee. So cute. And then the bag. Oh my goodness. I got all these die cuts. Look at that. How pretty. Oh, and then more die cuts, donuts, and what else we got here? Yeah, these are donuts die cuts. Perfect. Well, thank you. So I am going to link my swapping partner in the description box below again. Oh my goodness. So this is the Copper's Chocolate Dark Espresso Beans. Thank you. So again, I am going to link the swapping partner in the description box below. Go ahead and follow her up and show her some love. And thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.